Hi guys, so today I am traveling to Meghalaya. Woke up really in the wee hours of the morning and it was cold, rainy and I was completely drowned in slumber, but somehow made it from Kolkata to Guwahati, and from Guwahati we'll be doing a road travel with my younger brother Ashish from Guwahati to Meghalaya. More specifically, we'll be traveling to Cherrapunji or Sohra, which is supposed to be one of the wettest places in the world. So to reach Cherrapunji, you can either take a flight to Guwahati or the airport in Meghalaya. Being brought up in Guwahati, I have never really used the airport in Meghalaya, so I'm more comfortable with it. Plus, I'm in my home, so I thought I'll make a pit stop at my home, and we'll be traveling. It'll take around 2 to 3 hours to reach Cherrapunji. So let's go. What are you eating? Mango bhat.
This is not mango bhat. This is Manik's special chicken and steamed rice. Not comparable to any food.
Hi guys, so we are at ML05 Cafe. So this cafe is not right at the heart of the city, Shillong city, but it's little on the outskirts. But what a view! It has a really nice view. They offer bikes for rental, so if you have a lot of time in your hand, you can hire bikes and go for a ride. And this cafe has a very chill vibe to it. We are yet to taste the food, but the place looks really nice. So ML actually stands for any vehicle which is registered under the Meghalaya government. So hence it is ML05 Cafe. So let's go in and taste some food. We're really hungry. Are we not? Are you hungry?
We are definitely
How do you like the place?
Very nice. I like it. But the traffic in Shillong is pretty bad. You just
Try to start early.
Try to start early. Never come.
Let's go eat.
Peace.
So we are at the Duan Singh Siam Viewpoint. So there are stairs which lead us to a waterfall. Checked into our hotel. It is the Polo Orchid Resort, Cherrapunji, and the reason why I selected this place was because of the view. And as you can see behind me, it has a beautiful view of the Seven Sister Waterfalls. We are staying at the Dew Cottages, I believe that is what it's called. Although it is not the highest category of room, it does provide you with a great view. So the room is pretty nice. Everything is well decorated. They even place some chocolates and cookies to welcome us. So it was very nice to see that. We have just
No Wi-Fi.
And yeah, it doesn't have Wi-Fi. But if you have a view like this, you would not actually require the Wi-Fi. Hi guys, this is day 2 in Cherrapunji and we woke up to this view, and I think it rained during the night, so we can see the Seven Sisters Fall more clearly from our balcony. So today we are going for breakfast, and post breakfast we are going to trek to the double-decker
Are the stairs like this broad only?
Yeah, small
Small are also
Yeah,
there.
small step also is there.
Okay, those will be challenging.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll try to do it.
We'll try to do our best.
You're doing it every day, twice in a week,
Twice a week.
in chappals. We are doing once in a lifetime.
Yes.
What just happened?
So it's been 10 minutes.
And we are asking how much more time.
It's 5 hours.
And Roy is like, what?
What?
We
What
just
time?
started.
10 minutes.
So we are told it's 3,500 steps to the double-decker bridge, and we are done with, I think, 500.
600.
1,000 there.
Oh, 1,000 just
Oh, we are going to touch 1,000. So yeah, we are at least halfway, like close to halfway. So the road, I mean, the trek is very scenic. It's greenery on both the sides. Unfortunately, it's not raining.
there. It's because we're going down. Imagine when we will be coming up.
Yeah. So
Death.
raining apparently is a good thing because you don't feel so hot and humid. It rained yesterday. It's very humid and we are sweating like crazy. Yeah, you can see that. Then, can you see those houses? The small houses. We are going to that village. It's called the double-decker village. Nongya. You can see how sweaty and I'm drenched in sweat. The path is okay. The stairs are well carved out and there's a railing which disappears in the middle, like you see over here. But the problem is the stairs are very steep and the space to place your foot is really small. So the whole way you have to trek by keeping your feet sideways, so which is a difficulty. So this is 2,000 steps,
Yeah.
and that is the way to single decker bridge, which is also the longest living route. You want to do that first, or
What do you want to do?
huh?
We'll go first to double decker
Okay,
and then
When you're coming up.
yeah.
1500
They've seen our
steps.
condition. He's seen our condition.
Yes.
Chalo.
Okay.
Just stop for some lemonade. Really nice, much required in this trek as we have reached 2,000 steps and we're moving forward. So the route is pretty scenic. It's a little bit sunny today. That explains why we are so sweaty. But it's nice. All the while you hear the sound of the river, which is very refreshing, and this break is much needed. So if you are coming here, you can do it. I think if we can do it, anyone in any body form can do it. So let's go. First we'll reach 2 bridges before the Living Road Bridge. These are man-made steel bridges, and Roy tells it's very wobbly, little bit shaky. So after we cross the bridges, let's see whether they still stand strong or they become more wobbly. Going back from the double-decker bridge. We are not doing the rainbow falls because that's an
Out of our physical ability.
yeah, and even if you want to do it, it's a better idea to take a homestay here and then do it the next day. And we can't do it, right? Okay.
Maybe
We're not
after
going to
rigorous
vlog
training.
because it's a rigorous way back because it's uphill. So let's start our descent. We are en route to the Nokalikai Waterfalls, and we had just stopped on the road because I saw these hills. They look so like the Teletubbies we used to see when we were young or little. So we have finally reached the Nokalikai Waterfalls, that behind me. So that's about, you cannot reach the waterfall, it's just a viewpoint and it's pretty crowded and touristy. It has to be, it's one of the it's the tallest plunge waterfall in India. That's about it. So the guide who took us today to the double-decker route bridges, he told there was a way you could trek from the same spot, from the Tinna village to the Nokalikai Waterfall. So that should be fun, but it takes a strenuous 8-hour trek. Ending the day with Maggie with the view. What did you buy?
So this is a day 2. You need people to protect yourself. But the ingenious thing here is that it's also a salt.
Whoa!
So
I got something less harmful. I just got this. But I have to show you the view in this cafe. So there is Maggie and that view. Hi guys, it's day 3, the last day in Cherrapunji, and today we are out to, I'm still not woken up. We are out to explore some of the waterfalls, what Cherrapunji is very famously known for. So we are going to chase some waterfalls.
yes.
Yeah, let me wake up. Leading to this waterfalls from our resort was very long. It was around 1 hour, and we are here. We are starting the trek again. We are at the Waistong Falls. It's again a hike.
It's fine, but I'm not.
They say it's just 15 minutes. We can hear the waterfalls. Come. We are finally at the Waistong waterfalls. So yes, correctly said, it is 15 minutes to the viewpoint. So there comes a signboard on your trek down. It's stairs only, but they are not well carved out. At some point of time, because of the rain, it's become very mushy. So as you come down, there is a signboard which says, one side will say viewpoint and the other will say Waistong waterfalls. So if first we took the way to the waterfalls, and it's practically impossible for us.